We've all seen the headlines. AI is coming for your job. Robots are going to replace us all. It's a scary thought, right? But if you look at what's happening in Japan right now, the story is completely different. In Japan, they aren't worried about a robot stealing their lunch. They're actually begging for the robots to show up. Stick around, because today we're diving into why Japan is becoming the world's biggest laboratory for something called physical AI. It's not about replacing people, it's about industrial survival. To understand this, we have to look at a pretty brutal reality. Japan's population has been shrinking for 14 years straight. Think about that. Over the next 20 years, they're set to lose about 15 million people from their workforce. We're talking about a massive gap in warehouses, factories, and even basic infrastructure. This isn't just a business problem, it's a national urgency. Without these robots, essential services, the stuff we take for granted every day, might just stop working. So what is Japan doing? They're leaning into their Monozukuri heritage. That's their legendary culture of craftsmanship. Japan already controls about 70% of the global industrial robot market. They are the kings of hardware, making the sensors, motors, and joints that make robots move. But here's the twist. The brain is finally catching up to the body. The Japanese government is pouring $6.3 billion into strengthening AI and robotics. They aren't just building dumb arms that do the same thing over and over. They're building physical AI. This is AI that can actually interpret its environment and make decisions in the real world. Take a company like Mujin. They've built software that can take an existing industrial robot and give it the eyes and brain to handle complex logistics tasks all on its own. Or SoftBank, which is combining vision language models with control systems so robots can understand their surroundings and execute tasks that used to require a human. It's a different vibe than what you see in the US or China. While those countries often focus on the software-first approach, think Apple, Japan is focusing on the physical interface. They know that in the real world, understanding the physical characteristics of hardware is just as important as the code. And it's not just happening in big factories. You're seeing it in customer-paid deployments, meaning these aren't just science experiments anymore. They're real tools doing real work. We're talking about automated forklifts in warehouses, inspection robots checking out data centers, and even autonomous mobility vehicles helping an aging population get around. What's really cool is how the ecosystem is changing. It's not a winner-take-all fight between startups and giant corporations. It's a hybrid model. You have legends like Toyota and Mitsubishi providing the scale and reliability, while scrappy startups are driving the innovation in AI perception and workflow automation. The goal? To capture 30% of the global physical AI market by 2040. So, the next time you hear someone say AI is going to take everyone's jobs, remember Japan. They're showing us a future where technology doesn't push us out. It steps in to fill the gaps we can't fill ourselves, keeping society running when the human hands just aren't there anymore. If you found this look into the future of AI interesting, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out, and it lets me know you want more deep dives into how AI is actually changing the real world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.